Hello everybody, morning. Right, I have another book for you. I thought this one looks quite good. It's another one of my children's collection. This says Snore by Rosen and Jonathan Langley. A noisy night for dozy dog. So look, there's a dog chasing bunny rabbits and birds across the field. Snore. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep. Cat was asleep. Cow was asleep. Sheep was asleep. Pig was asleep. And so were all the piglets. There they all are. It was all so peaceful until... And cat woke up. And cow woke up. And sheep woke up. Pig woke up, and so did all the piglets, because all they could hear was snore. It was so loud, no one could sleep, not cat, not cow, not sheep, or pig, or all the piglets. How can we get dog to stop snoring so we can all go back to sleep, said cat. There they all are, having a little meeting about it. And there is dog, snoring. I know, said pig. And pig went up to dog and went, hee hee, right down his ear. And all the piglets went, hee hee hee. Guess what? Dog just went on snoring. I know, said cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that'll stop him snoring and we can all go back to sleep. So cat went, prrr. Dog kept snoring and cow went, moo. Dog kept snoring and sheep went, bah. Guess what? Dog kept snoring. Pig went, oink, and all the piglets went, grunt, 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 grunt. I'm not sure that's what the noise they make, but that's the noise I'm making. And guess what happened? Dog continued snoring. And then as the sun rose over the trees, Rooster woke up with a cock-a-doodle-doo, and Dog woke up with a harumph. And off he trotted down the road after his good night's sleep. But cat and cow and sheep and pig and all the piglets were so tired they fell asleep. And guess what happened? They all started snoring. And there is dog, happy after his good night's sleep, chasing all the ducks and the chicks and the little ducklings. Do you snore when you're asleep? I probably do sometimes. And that was Snore. Thank you. Till next time.